AI cash machine system has finally launched. This is from Zach Crawford. He has been an affiliate marketer for a long time. He's a seven-figure earner, and he has revamped and is re-releasing AI cash machines. And this has just gone live just the other day, so it is fresh, new, updated content. You can get access here for $27. And I'm going to go through and show you what all is included with this program. The main aspect of this program is Zach teaches you how to use Instagram and AI to grow your affiliate commissions. And so he's got systems that he's set up and step-by-step video training. There's personal campaign templates. And then you get bonuses along with this. You get the $1 Million AI Prompt Vault. Now, this is huge because being able to use AI correctly is really important, because if you put in a garbage prompt, you're going to get a garbage result. So it's important that you have the right prompts to get the right results. You get a fast start implementation plan, how to follow a simple roadmap, the viral reel formula, commission multiplier, copy a millionaire content library, and private group access. Now, this is $27, but one of the things that makes this unique is there is a 180-day money back guarantee. So I couldn't believe that this is only $27. The amount of material that he has included in this program is amazing. And actually, I think it should be a lot more than $27 because of the content that he's including as well as the bonuses. So I want to take you just to the back office and give you just a quick overview of some of the training that's included. So here is the program. You get to start here, and in the first module, look at all this training that you get just in the first module. You get your fast start plan, and then Copy a Millionaire. There's all of these trainings right here: videos, editing, shortcuts, content engine, customizing your board, week outputs. There's just, and then Instagram mastery here. This is a huge module. Look at all the training in here. Quite frankly, I think this should be a $997 program, but Zach is just charging $27, and you get all of this information in here. And like I said, there is a 180-day money back guarantee. So for me, $27 is a steal, and I will be putting my link in the description below. I recommend that you get started ASAP and start going through his training.